All right, guys, you know what this means. The reveal. This right here is a 2023 Ferrari SF90. This customer opted for it to be transported in our fully enclosed trailer, so they could avoid driving it on the rain on these roads today. Alrighty guys, as you can see, this SF90 has been fully prepped. We gave it the best wash of its life, a full decontamination process, including a clay bar treatment and a full one-step polish on all of the surfaces that are gonna be getting PPF. On this SF90, we are gonna be doing a full PPF coverage on all of the painted surface, all of the carbon fiber, any inch of this car that is not plastic, we are gonna be putting our film on. I was looking at this little duct here in this SF90. I can picture a turtle just living right there.
Why a turtle?
I don't know.
Say cat.
Okay. Okay, so I was just taking a peek at this big, massive duct at the front of this SF90, and all I can think about is picturing a gecko crawling and living inside there. What is a good shaped animal that would fit in here?
Family of possums?
A fit? I don't know. What do you guys think would fit inside this duct and make it its home if it lived here? A squirrel, maybe a mouse, a toad, maybe a frog, quite possibly anything from the amphibian world. It's so smooth and curvy, I almost want to say if this car was underwater, it'd be a perfect habitat for an eel. Possibly a moray eel. There's a lot of different eel species that could live in the front of this Ferrari. So guys, what do you think? Leave down in the comments below, what animal could you picture living in your Ferrari SF90? What's good? All right.
Done now.
Yes, guys, this Ferrari that was dropped off in the rain is now leaving today on our transport truck. So we did a full PPF wrap on every inch of this vehicle. That's including all the carbon fiber because you don't want that getting damaged. Here you can see we have our fully enclosed trailer. This cover actually retracts, so when it's driving on the highway, nothing will be hitting this car. So this is the safest way to get your vehicle from you to us. When I get my Ferrari, it's also gonna go on this truck. See you next time, guys.